All right, beautiful people. Another point and shoot camera, the Konica Z-up 110 VP. It's a film point and shoot camera with a zoom lens from 38 millimeters to 110, and it looks beautiful. Just take a look at that finish there. It's all plastic, but it's good. Let's put some batteries in and see how it works. You have this thingy that you cannot open unless you have this pointy thing that almost all the cameras that come with this sort of battery battery compartment door. There we go. You have this dial. You have this point here, so you can open the little door, and you put inside one little battery, a CR1T3. You close it. You open the back, sliding up. Pa-ta-ta-pam. You put the film inside. A de-exploded film, of course, like all point and shoots. Slide it over. Close it. And power it. Wapa. It is alive. We're on the first position. All right. So you have the shutter button, the zoom dial here. Ooh la la. You can hear the noise. Just love the focus. Okay. Let's see the mode dial. So we have the mode button there, and we have auto, pre-flash, force flash, timer, night shot, maybe a long exposure, no flash, exposure compensation, plus 1.5. That's nice. And infinity focus. Let's go with infinity. That was fast. We've advanced to frame number 2, auto. I'm blind. That's nice. Let's see the timer. Okay, how do you use it? There we go. I just had to focus. You see the okay. There we go. And no flash. Maybe we can see the no. Yeah. Well, let's see the viewfinder. Well, it's pretty wide. It's a bigger viewfinder than on the other cameras that I've held. Yeah, what can I say about this Konica? I love Konica cameras. They are made to fit your hand better than other brands of point and shoot cameras. But they're more plastic, I think. Well, it looks nice. Let's press the rewind film button. There we go. And open it in time so it won't eat all the film. Take it out, and there we go. In total darkness. So that's it, guys, with the Konica Z-up 110 VP. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for other reviews of little point-and-shoot cameras that I love shooting and testing, and maybe fixing if I find some broken ones. Yep. So a good day to you.